Get ready to witness the future of American muscle with the 2026 Charger Daytona Scat Pack EV. A revolutionary electric powerhouse that blends raw aggression with cutting-edge technology in ways you've never imagined. As this iconic vehicle in bold yellow inorganic color sits under the pristine white lights of a modern showroom, demanding attention with its sculpted body lines, aggressive R-wing front fascia, and wide muscular stance that instantly tells you this is not just another EV. It's the next-generation muscle car designed for dominance, speed, and futuristic performance, pushing the boundaries of what a high-performance electric vehicle can achieve while maintaining the classic Charger DNA that enthusiasts have cherished for decades. Imagine the precision of its LED headlights slicing through the showroom with razor-sharp light signatures, while the full-width taillight bar glows with futuristic elegance, every curve and aerodynamic contour optimized for airflow and efficiency, and the glossy inorganic yellow paint reflecting the intense studio lighting perfectly, giving you a glimpse of its bold personality. But how does it feel behind the wheel? That's the suspense every driver experiences when approaching the cockpit, where a digital driver display greets you with real-time performance metrics, EV-specific torque data, and immersive infotainment features that blend seamlessly with the luxurious bolstered seats, stitched with meticulous attention to detail, offering comfort without compromising on the sporty feel that muscle car fans crave. Did you know that this electric muscle marvel produces instant torque, sending you from zero to exhilaration in moments? And all with near-silent precision that traditional combustion engines could never deliver? That question alone should spark curiosity in every performance car enthusiast. As you take in the exterior details, notice the three-quarter angles highlighting the aerodynamic wheels, sculpted side skirts, and clean door lines reflecting in the polished white showroom floor like a work of automotive art, reminding you that this EV is not only about raw speed but about visual dominance, attention to detail, and a statement of futuristic engineering that makes heads turn instantly. Let's pause for a moment and focus on the interior, because the experience inside this vehicle is just as groundbreaking. The driver's seat's advanced bolstering, high-quality upholstery, and premium tactile surfaces create an emotional connection between driver and machine, while the center console, with its EV-specific drive modes and high-resolution touch display, offers complete control over the vehicle's performance systems, including regenerative braking, torque vectoring, and advanced safety monitoring, all accessible at your fingertips with intuitive functionality designed to thrill and inspire confidence simultaneously. You might wonder, what about the system that powers all this electric dominance? The 2026 Charger Daytona Scat Pack EV features a state-of-the-art dual electric motor system with over-the-air updates, delivering unmatched acceleration, stability, and handling, coupled with a high-capacity battery pack optimized for weight distribution, thermal management, and long-range endurance, allowing drivers to experience muscle car excitement without compromise, while regenerative braking enhances efficiency and adds an interactive dimension to performance driving. Every detail of the wheel design, brake calipers, and underbody aerodynamics has been meticulously engineered to combine efficiency with raw energy, and the charging port is strategically integrated into the body for convenience and seamless aesthetics, ensuring this EV not only drives like a muscle car but lives in the future with every technological advancement available. And as we return to the exterior, notice the top-down and underbody perspectives, where aerodynamic shaping, chassis optimization, and battery layout are revealed, emphasizing not just looks but serious engineering intelligence, showcasing a vehicle that is as much about functional performance as it is about captivating design. Mid-video, consider how this EV transforms the way you perceive muscle cars. The instant torque, the near-silent operation, and the immediate responsiveness create a visceral experience that traditional gas-powered counterparts cannot replicate, reminding you that the future of high-performance driving is here, now, in your hands. The second hook hits as you realize that this is not only a car for speed, but for statement. It combines luxury, tech, and brute force in one package, making every glance at its sculpted body, LED lights, and sporty interior a reminder that the Charger Daytona Scat Pack EV is redefining what muscle can mean in 2026. The experience angle becomes undeniable as you imagine sitting behind the wheel, hands on the performance steering wheel, feet on precision pedals, feeling the immediate torque surge, watching the futuristic dashboard light up, and sensing the perfect balance of comfort and aggression, giving every drive an emotional thrill that few vehicles today can offer. Strategically, this EV appeals not only to muscle car enthusiasts, but to tech-savvy drivers looking for luxury, performance, and environmental responsibility, making it a versatile choice for collectors, performance lovers, and early adopters, with a presence in the showroom that commands attention and respect. System details reinforce this dominance. Dual high-output electric motors, an optimized battery pack, torque vectoring, adaptive suspension, regenerative braking, precision aerodynamics, advanced infotainment, driver assist safety features, over-the-air software updates, and high-capacity thermal management combine to create a machine that's built for both adrenaline and reliability, delivering performance metrics that rival or exceed traditional V80's zero-emissions twist. Technology takes center stage as the EV architecture allows real-time data processing, AI-assisted stability control, precision motor calibration, advanced cooling, seamless charging integration, and cutting-edge interface design, all wrapped in a package that screams performance, safety, and luxury at the same time. Emotional connection deepens when you consider the legacy of the Charger lineage blended with modern electric innovation. This car is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of identity, power, and progression, inviting drivers to engage fully with the thrill of muscle, the luxury of refined design, and the confidence of futuristic engineering. Finally, the surprise ending comes as you realize that this 2026 Charger Daytona Scat Pack EV in yellow inorgan color is not only a revolution in performance, but a testament to how muscle cars can evolve without losing soul. A machine that excites, captivates, and inspires while being environmentally conscious, combining adrenaline-pumping acceleration, immersive interior experience, advanced technology, and futuristic design, leaving every viewer, every driver, and every enthusiast with a lasting impression of what true American electric muscle can achieve in the year 2026, a perfect blend of past legacy and future innovation, commanding your attention long after you walk away from the showroom. This is PowerLux. Power, performance, prestige. Follow for more unstoppable machines.